Hi, we invite you to technical and business cooking in our Cloud Kitchen once again. The second episode is titled Cloud Competence Center: How to Assemble the Best Team to Run Your Cloud Kitchen. By design, in each episode, we present the secrets of our kitchen of business transformation using the cloud. It's no different in the case of episode number 2. This time, we will reveal some of our best tricks and tips based on real examples on completing the perfect cloud team.
Exactly. Probably you already know that to run a successful restaurant, you need people. Having a good place, loyal customers, sometimes is simply just not enough to be successful. You need people. You need chefs to prepare you the delightful dishes. You need waiters to bring those dishes into the tables, and you need someone to welcome your guests or book a table. Exactly the same situation is with the delivering of the cloud-based project. You need the right people, carefully selected, to deliver projects with a good quality and in the right time. But hush for now. To learn more, you need to see the whole episode.
Feel free to join us.